If you thought the legend was gone for good, think again. The 2026 Kawasaki KX500 is back, and it's louder, faster, and more refined than ever. Whether you're a die-hard two-stroke fan or just craving raw off-road power, this beast is about to shake up the dirt world. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're diving into one of the most talked-about comebacks in motocross history. Design. Kawasaki didn't just revive the KX500, they reimagined it. The 2026 model sports a sleek, modern chassis that blends retro styling cues with aggressive new bodywork. It's slimmer, lighter, and more ergonomic, with adjustable ergonomics that make it easier to handle whether you're ripping through trails or lining up at the gate. Performance. Now let's talk power. The new liquid-cooled 499 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine is tuned for explosive torque and lightning-fast throttle response. Kawasaki has refined the power band for smoother delivery without compromising that classic KX punch. And thanks to the updated suspension with Showa components, this thing floats over rough terrain while staying planted in corners. Features and tech. What's new under the hood? For starters, electronic power valve control, launch assist, and a switchable map system, giving riders more control than ever. And while it's still a purebred race bike, Kawasaki has added just enough modern tech to elevate the ride without losing that raw, mechanical feel we all love in a two-stroke. Conclusion. The 2026 Kawasaki KX500 is more than just a throwback, it's a statement. It's built for riders who crave power, simplicity, and that unmistakable two-stroke roar. So, what do you think? Is this the ultimate comeback bike? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest takes on the latest rides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.